Okay, hey, how you doing? This is another little behind the scenes scene at the Mountain Man Gourmet household. I'm kind of not kind of, I actually am getting over a minor surgical procedure which required me to live on a soft diet for a while. Well, I'm kind of cheating a little bit, but alright, I got your canned green beans, okay? I did doctor them up with a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, maybe a little garlic powder or something. I don't know. I can't help myself. Sorry, nurse. Anyway, and then we got some, just some egg noodles here. Just boiled like normal, and then I sauteed them in a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. Actually, no garlic in that. Sorry, no garlic in that. Just some salt and pepper and butter. That's what it was, butter. Okay, gotta have some flavor even if it's a soft diet thingy, whatever. Alright, and then we've got our... I think this is where I'm probably breaking the rules. But I don't know why I haven't had an appetite for almost a month. So if you can imagine, for me, somebody who deals with food all the time and loves to make new creations and spice blends and soup mixes and all that stuff, that's pretty difficult situation to deal with. So, alright. So today I just made myself some chicken fried steak. Alright, it's probably against the rules. I just don't care. I'm going to eat it. Whatever. Anyway, I made some nice gravy to go along with that. A little bit of red wine. It was some kind of Zinfandel, Italian Zinfandel, which is really good. Actually, I'll just go ahead and give them a little plug. It's called Panetti, or Panetta. Panetti. That's it. Panetti. Here we go. Oops. Yikes. Well, I told you this is a behind-the-scenes thing, you know, and so that's why we don't show it to everybody normally. All right, here we go. But I just I really like this wine. It's a good one. Panetti. I'm not drinking any of it tonight. I put a little bit in the sauce. So it's a Zinfandel, Italian Zinfandel 2016 Panetti. Alright, and I got that at a Smith's grocery store in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Alright, so you can find it if you want, whatever. Anyway, my food's going to get cold, so I need to eat it. But I'm cooking solo here. Kristen has a meeting tonight, so I'm here by myself, but that's okay. I don't mind. I washed all the dishes. She'll be happy about that. And I also made this wonderful meal right here. I'll put a recipe up for it if you want. Let me know. Send me a note on mountainmangourmet.com or Facebook or Twitter or whatever. All those social media thingies. Figure it out. So, I'm going to eat my food. Hope you're having a good dinner. This isn't what I would call the most healthy dinner, but you know what? I feel like eating it, which is, you know, after a month of hardly eating anything, I'm really glad to eat something that has some flavor to it anyway, hopefully. Alright, this is Lawrence, and please visit mountainmangourmet.com. Often buy some of my seasonings and soup mixes and stuff. You'll like them, and they'll taste good, so it'll make you look good too. Plus, it'll help me to, you know, pay for my rent and on our, not my rent, but our house payment and all that kind of stuff. So, we'll see you soon. Live well, eat well, and be happy.